Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Automation Hub Sarthak, and we are starting a new series today, and I'll do it in both in English and Hindi. So this is going to be BDD Cucumber, which was demanded a lot by a lot of my students and all. So I'm gonna make videos now. Approximately two playlists I'll put up, one for Hindi, one for English. So let's actually get down to the real business. So what we'll learn here, first we'll learn about, so one second. Okay. So we will learn first, today's class will be basic introduction. Okay. Then we will actually go into the real uh, design. Okay. How you design, a cucumber kind, BDD cucumber kind of, a project or anything. Fine. And then after we learn all of that, we will go into the framework designing. So this will take some time. I assume the fact that introduction will approximately take a couple of classes. Then we'll learn about BDD Cucumber and everything, and then we will go into this. As of now, we will learn everything in Eclipse. Okay, I in both English and Hindi. I'll make two separate playlists for the same. Okay, and then once we are done, we will work on IntelliJ IDEA. We'll just create a framework. We will not learn introduction and everything. So Eclipse will learn everything in English and Hindi, and in IntelliJ will whatever framework design we do here, the only thing whatever changes we need to do in IntelliJ IDEA that will implement, and that's mostly it. Nothing much. So without further ado, let's begin. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do so. Okay, so this is my YouTube channel, Automation Hub Sarthak, and please do subscribe to my channel. And I'll make two separate playlists for Cucumber. Okay, so let's begin. So there are a few things which we need to be taking into consideration before we uh, jump into BDD. First and foremost, so today is the first introduction class. So first in question is, what is BDD? Okay, so BDD is nothing but behavior driven development. Now, what is this? See, behavior driven development, if I put it in a simple, understandable way, it's like you as a tester, okay, will use certain text files to write simple plain English, okay, and accordingly with certain other implementations, you will be able to test the same. That is what behavior driven development is. You use certain plain English, and then you get to do that. And how does this thing happen? We will learn in due course of time. Now the next question is, what is Cucumber? See, some say Cucumber is a tool, but I would rather say it is a testing approach. Okay, it is a testing approach which implements BDD with the help of Gherkin language. Okay, so Gherkin language, which typically consists of given, when, then, and, but, all these kinds of words which we use, typically we'll use these words to actually implement. And I'll just give you a very small example. Like given I open Chrome browser and I enter the URL, then I uh, hit the uh, enter button of the keyboard, and the landing page of the application appears. So this is a simple test case which we write, but we do not use test case in terms of Cucumber. We use test scenarios, and this is simple plain English, okay? But technically it becomes kind of a test case in a normal testing scenario, right? So we will understand what exactly scenarios we use and why we use such things and everything. Okay, so This is what mostly Cucumber is. It is a testing approach which implements BDD with the help of Gherkin language. Okay, so I'll make this a little smaller to accommodate more space. Okay, now the three basic building blocks of BDD Cucumber, we will learn about that. What exactly BDD Cucumber, how do we do it? Okay, I'll make uh, three blocks here and I'll explain what are these blocks. The first block is nothing but a feature file. Okay, what is a feature file? We will learn, not a problem. Just hold on. What happened? Okay, some adjustment error. 1 second, guys. So we will learn. So this first block is a feature file. Okay, now this fellow, the second block, is nothing but a step definition file. And this one, the third block, is nothing but a runner file. So technically, if we get to know the connectivity between these three blocks, we will be able to understand BDD Cucumber absolutely fluently. Okay. Now, what does a feature file do, and what is exactly a feature file? So first, we will know what exactly is a feature file. See, feature file is a simple text file which has simple plain English. You remember all these things which I have written here, given, and, then, when. This is what a feature file will contain. It is a simple text file which has simple plain English, wherein we write our test scenarios. Okay. Uh, and technically we keep this in our SRC test resources folder in our Eclipse section. Okay. And we make a small package and we'll make a feature file. I'll show you everything, but remember it is a simple text file. Okay. So I'll write certain definitions about it. This is nothing but, okay, it is simple text file, okay, which has simple plain English. Okay, we write our test scenarios in feature file. Okay, and this file is created under src/test resources folder. Okay, we make a small package and we we generally create our feature files here. Okay, so we will know what things we need to do here. Okay, so this is a pure feature file. Now there is a certain connectivity between this and this. So what basically is, we have to have a matching glue code. So whatever feature scenarios we are writing inside this feature file, all those things will have a matching glue code inside the step definition file. And what is a step definition file? It is a uh, simple class. It's a Java file. It's a simple Java file. Okay, it will have all the annotations of given, uh, uh, when, then, and, but. Whatever we will write here, using Gherkin language inside the feature file, the exactly same thing will be replicated. Of course, there are a lot of things which we can do in, but this is a very basic definition which we are going to do. Okay, so this is what a step definition file is. It will have the exact matching glue with respect to the feature file, and this is what you will write a lot of things here. There are a lot of things which we'll learn, but as of now, just know that this is a simple Java class file. It is a simple class, it's a Java file, and it will have all these things here. Okay, now the next connectivity is between the step definition file and the runner file. This runner file is predominantly used in BDD Cucumber for execution. So technically you don't go and right click on that particular Java class file and run as Java program. No, this is a design pattern. Okay, so in this design pattern, this runner file is exclusively used for execution. And what is this runner file? This again is a simple class. Okay, it's a simple class. It's a simple class, and it's nothing but a Java file. Okay, and this can be used, this runner file could be done with TestNG and of course with JUnit. JUnit is more popular in terms of runner file because it is very simple and easy to use. Even TestNG will have to, extend a certain class or implement a certain class. But we'll see. As of now, there are a lot of things to learn inside this runner file, feature file, step definition file. This can only be done once we exactly go into the coding part of it. But this is an introductory class, so I'll stop the video here. So technically speaking, BDD is behavior driven development, and Cucumber is nothing but a testing approach which implements behavior driven development with the help of Gherkin language. And this is how your BDD Cucumber design pattern lies within three building blocks. The first, all these three blocks are nothing but files, and they are created inside a Maven project. That's all the same. So we'll understand in the next video how these things are done. What are the steps to actually get the project ready to implement BDD? We'll learn in the next video. But as of now, I hope you like this session. So please do not forget to subscribe to my channel Automation Hub Sarthak, and I'll continue bringing such kind of videos to you. Thank you so much. Sarthak here, signing off.